everyone, and welcome back to CopyCat. I don't know if that's lame, but like, whatever.
A brief interruption. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I want to bleach my old Converse white, and I know the other old color is really nice, but I rarely use it or rarely wear it, as you can see, and I just want something new.
Yeah, so it's very easy, very simple, not many ingredients, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what you're gonna need for this tutorial, and it's just so simple, so let's get to it.
Reel it in. Yeah, reel it in. Yeah.
First, fill your bucket up with water.
Nice.
Take out the laces because, yeah, now. There you look white. Need to get dyed blue or purple.
Second, you want to put the bleach into the water and start putting your shoes in.
Reel it in.
I had to fill up my bucket with a little bit more water, and I used the rest of the bleach bottle. I would recommend to get a gallon bottle because the half-gallon bottle was just not enough. So I would suggest to get a gallon bottle because I had to do a second round on the bleaching process. But as you can see, I was having a little difficulty trying to get the shoes to stay put. They were a little buoyant, so I had to turn it around so the little tips of it could poke out instead of just the fabric where it needed to be bleached.
And my purse on, and this is it. Still a little blue, but if I put it one more time in bleach, I think it'd be all white.
Nice. Yeah.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you decide to recreate this look, please DM me and follow me on Instagram. And I hope that that you also like and subscribe if you haven't already down below, and keep the comments coming. So hope to see you next time.